How much does a large potato weigh? I have a recipe that calls for 6 large baking potatoes. So the question becomes, what is considered the average size of a large baking potato? I've looked online, but sadly do not have time to continue my search and the results appear to be all over the place.
Tough question. There are a lot of non-scientific ways to measure small, medium, large potatoes and nobody seems to agree on exactly what weight each is. However, there are a few ways I identify large versus medium at home. In my experience, a large potato is about the size you would get in a restaurant, I know, not very specific. That is, when I cook at home, the potatoes I purchase tend to be medium, round, not oval, and about the size of a tennis ball or baseball. When I'm at a restaurant, their potatoes are noticeably larger, and generally more oval-shaped. It seems closer to a sweet potato in shape and size, which makes them great for stuffing like for a loaded baked potato. Luckily most of the recipes I have at home that involve potatoes don't require precise measurement, so I just stick with my eyeball measurements and don't even bother weighing them. I found a source online that says this. According to Shape Magazine, EatBetterAmerica.com and Prevention, a medium potato is the size of a computer mouse, so somewhat bigger than that. And I think I can get behind that answer. I'd say your average computer mouse, like one you would get with a new PC, not a fancy third-party mouse, is about the size of an average medium potato. Another way to eyeball, I'm a 30-year-old male with hands that are neither very large or very small. The medium potatoes in this bag are about the size of a loose fist for me. So a large potato would be bigger than either of those things. As for measurements, I have a bag of medium potatoes and it says they're 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, a piece. I weighed one and it was closer to 6.5 ounces, 185 grams. Based on that, I'd say a large potato would be anything over 8 ounces, 225 grams, pushing as high as 12 ounces, 340 grams. I found a way to search online for this info: calories. By searching for large potato calories, I was able to find pages with weights and measures, 3 to 4¼ inches in diameter, see link 1. 300 grams, about 10.5 ounces, see link 2. So, in short, it seems like I would consider these good numbers. Medium potato, 2 to 3 inches in diameter, 5 to 8 ounces, 140 to 225 grams. Large potato, 3 to 4.25 in diameter, 8 to 12 ounces, 225 to 340 grams. Below is a picture of the medium potato from my bag, compared to some common household kitchen items. The gift card is the size of a normal credit card, and the knife is a common steak knife from my utensil drawer. Apparently a medium potato is almost exactly the size of a 1-cup measure.